Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales in Brookings, South Dakota, just showing you our Pontiac Firebird Formula. Very nice car, Arizona car. Got a little bit of what we call environmental bug damage. The bugs stain them a little bit on them plastic. It is a Formula, so it's got a 350 V8. You can probably see some sunburst on here. Just got a good shine to it. Very nice car. No rust. Here got a little bit of a scraper that might puff out of there, but interior's really nice shape. $64,166 is your mileage. So, but some of these dashes get broken up, but this one's in good shape. So, power windows, locks, cruise, tilt. Doors shut good. Bumper's in nice shape. Got your rear wing being a Formula. I think that probably is a little bit of a stain also. A couple spots here, sometime the bird pooped on it, but we try to be as transparent as we can, showing you everything on these cars. You may buy this and not even come and drive it, so this way you'll see exactly what you're getting. And then right here also. I haven't tried to buff that out, that them stains may come out. It's just in the clear. There you can see it's got a good shine to it. Nice car, drives great, air works, so goes down the road good. And been through our shop and checked over. So if you're looking for a nice affordable Formula, this thing's got low miles and it's priced right. 605-692-7010.